Good morning students. My name is Ajay Pal Singh. Today I am going to share with you an experiment number 1, that is panel for single phase transformer. Through this panel we are going to study and perform the experiment related with the open circuit test on single phase transformer. So in order to perform open circuit test, indicating instruments like voltmeter, current meter and wattmeter is required. So one tap changing transformer is required to change the level of voltage. So we require one single phase transformer in order to perform open circuit test. So before I proceed, I share with you the circuit diagram related with the experiment. So in the circuit diagram of open circuit test, we require first single phase supply, then DPST switch, that is MCB. So one tap changing transformer, one wattmeter. So here wattmeter having two coils, current coil and potential coil. So here ML stand as current coil and CV stand as potential coil. So one indicating instrument current meter is required and an voltmeter. So current meter is connected in series and voltmeter is connected across two potentials, that is connected in parallel. Here is the transformer, that is single phase transformer. So during the experiment, make sure that the secondary winding of a transformer is open circuit. So first we proceed with the connection setup. So first supply, then MCB, then further tap changing transformer. So supply is given to the tap changing transformer. So further indicating instruments are connected. So first indicating instrument is voltmeter. You may connect voltmeter before wattmeter, but make sure that voltmeter is connected in parallel. So our first connection is related with voltmeter, that is connected in parallel, and current meter is connected in series. So here first connection is related with the voltmeter and that is connected in parallel. So here from tap changing transformer, having two outputs, and further we connect this voltmeter across these two terminals. Then voltmeter is connected with the wattmeter. So first connection is from voltmeter connect terminal M. If you connect voltmeter here, for example, if you connect voltmeter across these two potentials, it means one terminal of voltmeter is connected with M. So here we have a terminal. So one terminal is M, then C is common, and one terminal is L. L is the load terminal, that is here. So M terminal is connected with the supply line here. First connect terminal M. So M is connected, then connection between M and C common. So here M and C common. Then load terminal, then L terminal of wattmeter, further connected with current meter. So L terminal is connected with voltmeter, that is current meter. So L terminal is connected with current meter and further current meter. Current meter is connected with the transformer, the second terminal of current meter. So here we have a second terminal of current meter and that is connected with the transformer. We are consider the efficient case of 100% efficiency. So followed by the connection, that is finish terminal of a transformer. Finish terminal of transformer is connected with the volt terminal of wattmeter. So finish terminal of transformer is connected with the volt terminal. So here I consider the maximum level of voltage that is acceptable 300 volt. But in single phase supply you consider the level of voltage that is between 220 to 230 volt. So here 150 volt I do not select this level because single phase voltage level is greater than 150. In order to perform the experiment efficiently, consider the highest level of the voltage. Okay. So now this transformer is connected with volt terminal. Okay, now volt terminal is returned back to supply. And if you connect voltmeter here, okay, then this volt terminal is connected with the voltmeter. So now one connection from this volt terminal is connected with the voltmeter. So begin with the experiment. Experiment is related with the performance of single phase transformer with respect to that is open circuit test. So as we know that open circuit test is used to find out the iron loss. And how we get the iron loss? In order to find out the iron loss, we require this wattmeter. Okay, so we require this wattmeter. So on the wattmeter there are several divisions, and in this experiment the value of iron loss is very small. Okay, and this variation of this needle is occurred but for small instant only. Okay, it not calibrated instantaneously because iron loss is very small. So small movement of this needle is occurred during the experiments when you change the level of voltage. Okay, so start performing the experiment. So we have a voltage level, say we decrease the level of voltage. So in order to get the first reading, we have a voltage 127. Okay, increase the level of voltage from 199, 198, 199, 200. So in this case value of current is 0.1 ampere, and in order to get the value of power, okay, you multiply voltage into current in order to get the value of power. Okay, but in this case this relation is applied efficiently if you have a density, rated density of load, but directly from wattmeter you will evaluate the power, and from wattmeter it is seen that the needle is not on the very first instant, but it start moving from the reference instant slightly. So in order to find out the value of power, so here you can get the value, that is by taking the least count. Okay, so further increase the value of voltage. Say the voltage level is 237. In this case current variation is 0.25. So when you increase the level of voltage, in this case due to the arrangement, transformer is there, indicating instrument is there. Okay, so this assembly have its small partial load. Due to this the current in the system rise, and parallelly the indication of wattmeter gives you the iron loss in watt. Okay, so this experiment is related with the open circuit test. So in this case you can evaluate the value of iron loss by the indication of wattmeter, and its value is very small. Okay, so thank you very much. This is all about your first experiment, open circuit test. So next time we further discuss about the short circuit test in a transformer. Okay. So students are required to prepare so 1 page report for the experiment that I have briefly or discuss with you. Okay, so what in the report you mention, you basically mention so what is transformer, basically what is meant by open circuit test. Okay, circuit diagram analysis, what are the various indicating instruments. So by changing the level of voltage, current in the system increases, and most important thing is iron loss is evaluated by the wattmeter reading.